Good morning, friends. My name is Samadhan, and today is my topic from Core Java. And my subject here is access modifier in Java programming language. So, there are two types of modifier in Java: access modifier and non-access modifier. So, we discuss about access modifier. So, what is meant by access modifier? So there is accessibility of fields, method, constructor in the program. It is called as access modifier. Okay, so there are four types of access modifier. First is public, private, default, protected, and public. Okay, so we discuss one by one access modifier. So first one is private. So what do you mean by private? Private means what we say separate. So private access modifier, the accessibility of private modifier within the class. Okay, it is not accessible from the outside of the class. So it is called as what we say private access modifier. Okay, uh, I give one example of private access modifier. When we use Instagram, okay, there is password and ID. So no anyone can what we say from our account send messages. So due to this private, so we have to develop the private method for that ID and password. So no any other use that password and ID. Okay. So it is an example of private. Then next give example of private is when we create a class, okay, class A, and when we extend this class to the other class, so we can't access due to the private access modifier. Okay. Then next type of access modifier is default. Okay, the accessibility of default access modifier for the same class and for the same package. Okay, so we cannot access default access modifier different class and different package. Okay, so it is called a default access modifier. So we give not any type, to the method, so it is called as default method or default access modifier. Okay, so it is called as default access modifier. Then third type is protected. So default and protected, it's what we say is 80 to 90% same. But one thing for the in case of protected access modifier, we can access it for the same class, same packages. But for protected access modifier, we can access it to another packages also using inheritance method or using a child class. So due to the inheritance, we can access the protected access modifier into different packages due to the inheritance. So it is called as protected access modifier. Okay. So I will give an example of protected access modifier. We can create class A, and this class is accessible for just same class. Okay, same class Okay, so when we create a class for same class or same packages, but this class A we are also accessing to different packages by the method of inheritance. Okay, so we class A extends to the class B in next packages by using this inheritance method. Okay, so it is called as protected access modifier. Then fourth type is public. So what do you mean by public? Public means all. Public is everywhere. Okay, so this public access modifier is accessible everywhere. Okay, we can access it in all for the same method. What we say, same classes. It is also accessible for different classes, same packages, different packages. Okay, so public access modifier is accessible for everywhere or every packages, every classes, every what we say different packages. Okay, so give an example of public access modifier. We can create a class by, okay, and then we create class Splendor. So the properties of class A is inherent in the class B. So this is accessible due to public access modifier, or we can also access in different packages due to public access modifier by the method of inheritance. So this is the, so therefore we discuss about the four types of access modifier in Java. Okay, thank you.